Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best nylon strings is probably one of the most crucial components for any acoustic guitarist looking to achieve that warm, mellow tone, and today we're diving deep into what makes a set of acoustic 6-string nylon strings truly stand out from the crowd, ensuring you get the most out of your instrument and your playing experience. Number 5. Acoustic Guitar String Set. Experience superior sound with our premium guitar strings. Crafted from high-quality copper alloy with durable coatings, they are built to last and resist breakage. Enjoy a clear and melodious sound with the transparent nylon strings. They produce a high, beautiful tone perfect for any acoustic guitar. This set includes all 6 essential strings for your guitar: E, B, G, D, A, and E. They are designed for easy and convenient use. Elevate your playing with this essential accessory. It's the ideal replacement part and a thoughtful gift for any guitarist. We stand by our product with a 180-day warranty. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us for assistance. What we like. These strings offer a great balance of durability and clear, melodious sound. The copper alloy metal strings are resistant to breakage, while the nylon strings provide a bright tone. If you are looking for a reliable and affordable replacement set for your classic acoustic guitar, this is a solid choice. What people say. These strings have a clear and bright tone that really enhances the sound of my acoustic guitar. The nylon material makes them very comfortable to play, especially for long practice sessions. They are easy to install and tune, holding their pitch well once settled. Number 4. Best Choice Products 38 inches Beginner Acoustic Guitar Starter Kit. This all-inclusive guitar kit provides everything you need to begin your musical journey. It comes with a gig bag, strap, picks, capo, and extra strings. Unlock 4 months of complimentary lessons from Fret Zealot, suitable for all skill levels. The accompanying app also features a digital tuner for precise tuning. Its classic acoustic shape offers a comfortable playing experience for both teenagers and adults. The design ensures it's easy to hold and play for extended periods. We've upgraded the guitar with a closer fretboard and string proximity. This reduces finger fatigue, allowing you to play for hours without discomfort. Learning is made simple with soft nylon strings that are easier to press down. They produce a beautiful tone, stay in tune, and are gentle on your fingers. This guitar is designed for everyone, from beginners to experienced players. Its comfortable design and included accessories make it ideal for all ages. What we like. This is a fantastic option for absolute beginners looking to get started with guitar. It includes everything you need, from the guitar itself to accessories and even lessons. If you are a beginner who wants a complete package with easy-to-play features and learning resources, this kit is ideal. What people say. The strings are easy to install and tune. They produce a clear and resonant tone. The nylon material makes them comfortable to play. Number 3. D'Addario EJ27N 3D Student Nylon Classical Guitar Strings. Introducing the D'Addario EJ27N 3D, the perfect choice for beginner guitarists. These classical strings offer an ideal blend of warmth and projection. Specially crafted for students, they provide an optimal balance that enhances your playing experience. You'll love the sound they produce. These strings feature a nylon core with silver-plated copper wound bases and clear nylon trebles. They are designed with convenient tie ends. Each set comes with a code on the recyclable bag. Register it to earn valuable Players Circle points with your purchase. Experience the quality of strings proudly made in the USA. They are manufactured to precise specifications at our New York facility. What we like. These strings are specifically crafted for students, offering an excellent blend of warmth and projection. The tie-in design and quality materials ensure a good playing experience. If you are a student guitarist or a teacher looking for a cost-effective way to stock up on quality strings, this multi-pack is a great value. What people say. The 3 bass strings are silver wrapped so they never corrode, and the 3 treble strings are plastic so no corrosion there either. They were simple to install, and produce a nice tone. Tuned up easily and are much softer than nickel wound guitar strings. They are vibrant, it has good sound quality and they feel good on the fingers. They stay in tune pretty well too. Number 2. D'Addario EJ27N Student Nylon Classical Guitar Strings. Introducing our premier entry-level classical strings, designed specifically for beginner guitarists. Experience the perfect blend of warmth and projection. These strings offer an optimal balance of warmth and projection, making them ideal for students. They provide a comfortable playing experience. Our sets feature convenient tie ends. They are constructed with a nylon core for the basses, wound with silver-plated copper, and clear nylon for the trebles. You can earn valuable players' circle points with your purchase. Simply find the code on the recyclable bag and register it. These classical guitar strings are proudly made in the USA. They are drawn to exacting specifications at our New York production facility. What we like. As a premier entry-level classical string, these are perfect for those just starting out. They provide a pleasing balance of warm and projected sound, making learning more enjoyable. If you are a beginner guitarist seeking a reliable and accessible string set to start your musical journey, this single pack is a great starting point. What people say. The 3 bass strings are silver wrapped so they never corrode, and the 3 treble strings are plastic so no corrosion there either. They were simple to install, and produce a nice tone. Tuned up easily and are much softer than nickel wound guitar strings. They are vibrant, it has good sound quality and they feel good on the fingers. They stay in tune pretty well too. Number 1. D'Addario NYXL Electric Guitar Strings. Introducing our premium uncoated electric strings. Experience unrivaled strength and exceptional tuning stability, with an enhanced mid-range tone. These strings feature premium nickel-plated steel wrap wire. This provides an accentuated frequency response for more presence and crunch, allowing you to cut through any mix. They stay in tune 131% better than standard strings and are up to 40% stronger. You can bend them 2 whole steps higher without reaching their breaking point. Each pack comes with a special code. Register it to earn valuable players' circle points with your purchase. These electric guitar strings are proudly made in the USA. They are drawn to exacting specifications at our New York production facility. What we like. These are premium uncoated electric strings built for exceptional strength and tuning stability. They offer a pronounced mid-range presence, perfect for cutting through a mix. If you are an electric guitarist seeking strings that can withstand aggressive playing, stay in tune longer, and provide a powerful tone, these are an excellent choice. What people say. The strings are easy to install and tune. The sound quality is excellent, with a warm and rich tone. These strings are very durable and last a long time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.